Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the second chapter of the Zapier course for beginner as well as the advanced level. In this chapter, I will show you how to set up a basic Zap, a basic automation. So without further delay, let's get started. In the Zapier, you have two methods to use the automation. The first one is to use the pre-made templates. And these templates are actually the automations which are most used by people and are really important. Okay, so these are the automations which you might need often. And Zapier has a lot of automations for different categories. So we have lead management, we have sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, customer support, data management, project management, and tickets and incidents. So you can use any of these categories and use a pre-made template in your automation. So this makes the work way faster, or you can create a Zap from scratch. For this tutorial, I will show you how to create a basic Zap from scratch. And what I want to do is I want to set an automation which sends the data to my Google Documents whenever I add a new article on my WordPress blog. So let's set up this basic automation. In the future video, I will share more advanced tips and tricks. So click on Create Zap. Right here, you will have one important and very unique feature, which is the AI integration. And what you can do here is that you can tell it what you want to do, what kind of automations you want to set, and this AI tool will automatically create the trigger and the action. For example, here is a demo prompt. When I add a reaction to a Slack message, create a card in Trello. Okay, so this type of messages you can give to this AI tool and it will create the automation itself. Let's try this for example. So I have given it a prompt when I add a product in WordPress, share on Facebook. Now this AI tool will work its magic and it give you the most appropriate automation for this message. So we have the WordPress and we have the Facebook pages. Now all you have to do is connect the accounts and create the automation. But for this tutorial, let's do this from scratch. First of all, you have to set the trigger which triggers the automation process. So for the automation, I want to set it to RSS. And in the event, I want to choose new item in feed. And in the action, I want to choose Google Docs. And in the event, I want to choose create document from text. Now let me explain what's happening here. Whenever I add a new blog or new item or new whatever in my RSS feed, it will trigger the event which will share that in a new document in Google Docs. So Zapier will create a new document in the Google Docs, and in that document, it will add all the information related to the new item. So let me show you how to set it. So first of all, you have to get the RSS for WordPress. Just add slash. Okay, every website, almost all website builders has the RSS. So you can get it, copy this, and enter the URL of the RSS. If there is any username or password, you can add them here as well. Right here, you can set the trigger and click on continue. Now, let's say you want to create a new post from the title of the blog, right? So what you can do is you can add more steps. So let's say you want to expand the information about this item, you can add the chat GPT here, okay, and then create the Google Docs. So you can add multiple apps and expand the features. And we have to test the trigger first because it will be useful when we set the Google Docs. So click on test trigger. And now it has taken some items, some demo items. You can choose any of these and we will use it to set our events. So let's choose this one. You can also see what it has taken from the RSS feed. We have the title of the blog article, we have the link, we have the comments. There is no comment right now. We have all the information, some brief texts as well, and so on. You can also do the same for products or anything else. So once you are done with that, click on continue. And now let's go to the Google Docs. Right here, we have set everything. Go to the configuration, and this is where we will set all the information related to the new document that Zapier is creating. So first of all, we have the document name. I'm going to set it to the title. And in the content, I want to add the link of the blog. Then I want to add the published date, some content, and let's also add the category. Okay, so these are the information which will be added in the Google Docs. If you want to add these new documents into any specific folder, you can choose them from here. So you have to first create a folder on your Google Docs, and then you can choose those from here. You can also choose the export format right here. So let's say you are managing multiple clients as an SEO freelancer and you want to share their new blog, new products on different social media platforms. You can add the RSS and create this folder based on different clients' name or company or brand. And then Zapier will add their new blogs or products into those folders. So it's a really good trigger as well. Okay, after that, click on continue. After you're done with everything, test the step. This will let you see if the automation is working or not. Okay, let's see if we can see the article in our documents. And as you can see, at 9:15, which is the time here, Zapier has added a new document. And if you go to the document, you will see the link, the date, the published date, and the blog category. After you are done the test and you are sure that this is working fine, click on publish and it will start the automation. Now, whenever you create or your client creates a new blog article on their website or add an item in the RSS feed, it will create a document in your Google Docs, in your folders. You can also set the name. Forgot to do that. If you are managing multiple clients, it's a good idea to create multiple folders and renaming the Zaps, the automations. Now let's go to the website where this feed is located and add a new post to see if the Zap is working or not. So I'm going to add a new demo post, give it a title. Let's add some demo categories as well and click on publish. Now this automation is running, and every time someone adds a item in the RSS feed, it will create a document. And now, as you can see, we have the new article right here. We have the link, we have the published date, and the categories right here. So in this way, you can do a lot more with the Zapier. This was a basic functionality. Now you can get the products as well. You can add them in Google Sheet. If you have multiple products, you can add all those products as a row or column in the Google Sheet. So I'm going to teach you everything in the future videos, but this is how the basic automation works in the Zapier. I have just posted another article, just quickly published it. And as you can see, we have a new document here with the link. the published date, and the category, which is uncategorized. So this is how you can get the data. Now there are some important things here. First of all, in the free plan, you get 100 tasks per month, so you can get up to 100 updates. If you want more than that, you have to upgrade your plan. Another important thing is that for free plan, the trigger time is 15 minutes. Okay, so there's a window of 15 minutes before you can get the data. If you have the upgraded plan, though, you will get the data within a minute. So that works perfectly. But for the free plan, you can get the data in every 15 minutes. But yeah, this is how you create Zaps, basic Zaps in the Zapier. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.